Welcome to my video about the primitive lifestyle. Primitive living is about living simply, sustainably, and connected to nature. It can be challenging, but it can also be incredibly rewarding. In this video, I'll share with you some of the benefits of primitive living and how you can get started. When you live a simpler life, you have less to worry about. You don't have to worry about bills, traffic, or other stressors of modern life. As you see in my video, he holds a watermelon and eats delicious. When you live a more natural lifestyle, you're exposed to more fresh air, sunshine, and exercise. This can lead to improved physical and mental health. After having watermelon, he can relax on a tree. Primitive living is about living simply and without the trappings of modern life. Primitive living is about living in a way that is sustainable and in harmony with nature. After taking a nap, he needs to find some food for his dinner today. What food he can get today? Please, let's see together. Primitive living can help you reconnect with nature and with your own inner self. Primitive living can be challenging, but it can also be incredibly rewarding. Primitive living can empower you to take control of your own life and to live in a way that is true to yourself. Get a big frog. Don't miss any of our video tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel and follow my Facebook page today. Thank you. People do like to eat frog. Frog legs are a popular delicacy in many parts of the world, including France, China, Cambodia, and the United States. They are often described as having a mild, chicken-like flavor. Frog meat is also a good source of protein and other nutrients. I hope you've enjoyed this video about the primitive lifestyle. If you're interested in learning more, I encourage you to do some research on your own. There are many resources available to help you get started on your journey to a simpler, more sustainable life. Thank you for watching. See you guys for the next video. Thanks again.